Hello everyone, Eric Odell and Alon Ditsky here from the product team of HP AppPulse. Today we're talking about AppPulse Mobile and its new crash analytics features. You know, 53% of mobile app users surveyed say they will delete a mobile app and find an alternative if it crashes. And this has serious implications for the mobile strategy of any business. So Alon, how does AppPulse Mobile help?
So Eric, as you can see here, AppPulse Mobile basically allows you to see your Fundex score. But what is the Fundex score? So basically, Fundex score is a single score for a mobile end user experience of your mobile app, just like a FICO score for your credit report. So as an application owner, you want to see exactly how you're doing in terms of user experience. And Fundex score is exactly for that. So in this specific case, we can see that we have 81 out of 100, which is okay. Okay, it's in the fair zone, but it's not good enough. So how do we improve? How do we improve the Fundex score? So we can see here that 10 points were lost due to stability issues. 8 of them were lost due to crashes. So let's drill down to see more about crashes and how we can improve the stability of the mobile app. So when we look at this screen, I mean, we do crash analytics. But it's not only that we do crash analytics, we know exactly what was the user action, what was the user trying to do that led the application to crash. So in this specific case, we can see that the user was trying to use an online banking application and to scan a check. Okay, you open up the camera, you scan a check, but then boom, the application crashed.
Right.
Not good. So let's see exactly what happened and how we can fix this issue. So we do have the stack trace. Basically, we see exactly the error that happened on the device itself. In this specific case, it's a camera issue, right? That happened on the device. But this was part of our previous release, the spring 2015 release. With the latest summer release, we have also introduced the device state information. So you know exactly what was the app version, the OS, the device, the type of connection, 3G, 4G, LTE, Wi-Fi, memory, disk space, and other information that the developer needs in order to reproduce everything in testing environment. So it's not only that we have the stack trace and the device state stuff, there is some more stuff. If we go to CrashTrail, this is what we call the subway map. We basically show you exactly, in a nice and visualized way, what was the journey from the moment the user launched the app through the different screens and buttons he tapped on, including some breadcrumbs that are used by the developer, you know, just to put some pointers in the code, till the application crashed. So we know exactly what was the user flow, we know exactly what was the device state, and we know exactly what was the stack trace. So now all we need to do is to submit a defect straight into the defect management tool. So the developer gets the ticket and can fix it. And all the data that I just showed you, the journey from launch till the crash, all the environment information, the device state stuff, everything is automatically attached to the ticket. So all we need to do is to hit the submit button and boom. A defect was submitted successfully to the developer. You can now fix it, test it, and redeploy it to production.
Alon, thank you very much for this demonstration of the Crash Analytics feature of AppPulse Mobile. And if you'd like to know more about the Crash Analytics feature, then go to our website. Thank you for joining us.